Now we are discussing about electronics business ideas. In that today we are discussing about solar cells. Photovoltaic solar cells, thin silicon discs that convert sunlight into electricity. These discs act as energy sources for a wide variety of uses, including calculators and other small devices, telecommunications, rooftop panels, and individual houses, and for lighting, pumping, etc. And next point is raw materials. The basic components of solar cell is pure silicon. Pure silicon is derived from such silicon dioxides as quartzite, gravel, the purest silica, or crushed quartz. The silicon discs are shiny and require an anti-reflective coating, usually titanium dioxide. And next point is manufacturing process, purifying the silicon and then making single crystal silicon. Purifying the silicon dioxide is either quartzite gravel or crushed quartz is placed into an electronic or furnace. A carbon or is then applied to release the oxygen. The products are carbon dioxide and molten silicon. A rod of impure silicon is passed through a heated zone several times in the same direction. At a specific point, the silicon is deemed pure and the impure end is removed. And next point is making single crystal silicon. Solar cells are made from silicon bowls, polycrystalline structures that have the automatic structure of a single crystal. A seed crystal of silicon is dipped into melted polycrystalline silicon. As the seed crystal is withdrawn and rotated, a cylindrical ingot or bowl of silicon is formed. And next point is solar frame. By solar cells, solar frame will be made. Main purpose of solar energy is to save electricity. Nowadays, frames are using for water pumps, software persons. Also in home at the top, they are generating solar energy for their computers. Industries are also using solar energy heavily. Getting solar energy is great, saving to electricity and nation also. Next point is what are the three applications of solar cells? Solar cell for transportation. Solar energy is used in cars. This solar power is created by photovoltaic cells. Solar cells in calculators and solar cell advantages. And solar energy is a renewable form of energy. What are the three types of, next point is what are the three types of solar panels? Most of the solar panels options currently available fit in one of three types: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. These solar panels vary in how they are made, appearance, performance, costs, and the installations. Each are best suited for. Next point is what is the best material to make a solar panel. Crystalline silicon is the most common material used in solar cells. The lifespan of crystalline silicon cells is more than 25 years without deterioration, making it ideal for industrial solar power generation. And next point is how perovskite solar cells are made. In one-step deposition, a perovskite precursor solution that is prepared by mixing lead halide and organic halide together is directly deposited through various coating methods such as spin coating, spraying, blade coating, and soft die coating to form perovskite film. This is the information regarding solar cells. Nowadays, solar cells are heavily using, and solar panels are also consuming, going very well. Solar panels also utility is increased so much because in every home one computer will be there, one laptop will be there, and one router for internet will be there, and two batteries also will be there. For all these things, solar current is required. So solar panels are coming. Solar panels will get the energy and it will be stored in battery, and in the daytime it will get the energy and it will be stored in batteries. In night time the stored batteries also will be useful to regular usage of computers. Likewise, the current consumption is reducing day to day, but not completely, but 20% of the current will be saved by these solar panels. So it is good for all and to the nation also. Wishing you all the best.